Hi Mini Bombs and welcome to a new video. In this video, my dog's going to be chasing me. Or I'm going to be chasing him. Whichever one. Stay continued. Whoa, there's the majestic dog. As he's staring at me. Probably going to eat me. If you looked, one of my first videos was my dog eating me. And look, he is so big. He used to be a baby. Don't you eat that bone. Right now, don't you eat that bone. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Oh my god! Oh my god! No, stop it! He cornered me! Ow! Ow! No, it's eating me! The majestic creature turned evil! Oh my god! Oh! You knocked over the coat rack, you dummy! He's my getaway. Ah! We are back when he knocked over the coat rack and he jumped at me. No, he's staring at me. Guys, he's scratching himself. Should I go hide in the darkness? He's right there. Let me hide behind this door. Oh no, never mind. I don't have enough time. No! No, stop it. Stop. No, stop. I'm not scared of you, you sissy. Hey, get out of the garbage. Wait, what is that? Wait, it's a tool. Come here. Come here. He's down. Come here. The majestic creature is eating his worst victim. I need to go to my room. If I turn around, he's going to attack me. What's in here? Ah! Come here. Man, this is like a monster, and like whenever you turn around, it like teleports. What's that? It's a ghost. The black ghost. Okay, that was kind of racist. Never mind. Okay, just cut that out, okay? He like acts crazy while I'm looking the other way. What are you doing? Let me zoom in. Oh, I can't. That face. Well, guys. Whoa. This is gonna be the end of this video. Why? TV? My foot. The coat rack. The lamp. The ramen noodle. The blue jay. The knife thing. The windows. The evil dog. But this is gonna be the end. See you, Mini Bombs. And I guess I'll see you in the next one.